Imagine cracking open an egg that's been preserved for 15 years and finding it as fresh as the day it was laid. Sounds impossible? For most of us reliant on modern refrigeration, it probably does. But the Amish have mastered the art of preserving eggs without electricity, using methods so ingenious that they outshine even the latest high-tech appliances. In today's video, we'll uncover their incredible secrets, delve into the science behind them, and draw timeless lessons that could transform the way we think about food preservation. We've all been told the same thing: leave eggs out for too long, and disaster strikes. Refrigerators have become a crutch, ensuring our eggs last a week or two, tops. Yet the Amish have developed techniques that keep their eggs fresh for months, even years. Their approach requires no electricity, just age-old wisdom and simple materials. While modern society scrambles to keep up with evolving technology, the Amish stick to traditions that have stood the test of time. It's a humbling reminder of how resourceful people can be when they're not dependent on machines. Method 1. Lime water, a protective armor for eggs. What is lime water? One of the Amish's most trusted techniques is soaking eggs in lime water, a simple solution made by dissolving calcium hydroxide slaked lime in water. This age-old method dates back to medieval times and is a game-changer for food preservation. How it works. Eggshells are porous, allowing air and bacteria to sneak in over time, which leads to spoilage. But when eggs are submerged in lime water, the solution seals those pores, creating an airtight barrier. This protective coating prevents bacteria and oxygen from entering, effectively armoring the eggs against spoilage. Historical significance. Lime water preservation wasn't invented by the Amish. It's a practice with centuries-old roots. In medieval Europe, people relied on it to extend the shelf life of their eggs through harsh winters. The Amish have refined this technique, ensuring it works perfectly for modern homesteaders seeking a sustainable lifestyle. Method 2. Oiling, sealing in freshness. The process. Another ingenious method the Amish use is oiling their eggs with mineral oil. By coating the shells with a thin layer of oil, they block out air and moisture, creating a protective shield against spoilage. Why it works. Eggshells naturally have tiny pores, which are gateways for bacteria and air. The oil fills these pores, essentially sealing the eggs in a bubble of freshness. This method is incredibly simple, cost-effective, and can be done at home with minimal effort. A modern experiment. Homesteaders rediscovering this technique are amazed at how effective it is. One enthusiast reported oiling eggs and finding them fresh weeks later, with no signs of spoilage. This method, like lime water, leverages nature's simplicity to achieve remarkable results. Method 3. Vinegar baths, the acidic armor. The basics. Vinegar, a common household staple, serves as another tool in the Amish preservation arsenal. Eggs are briefly dipped in vinegar, allowing the acidic solution to form a protective layer that deters bacteria. Why it's effective. Vinegar's acidity not only kills bacteria, but also strengthens the shell's defenses. This method has historical roots as well, with records of Roman soldiers using vinegar to preserve food during long marches. Applications beyond eggs. Vinegar's usefulness doesn't stop at eggs. It's been a go-to for preserving vegetables, meats, and other perishables, proving its versatility across generations. Method 4. Dry storage, keeping it simple. The method. Sometimes simplicity is best. The Amish also rely on dry storage, placing eggs in cool, dry locations away from sunlight. This technique leverages the egg's natural protective coating, known as the bloom, which acts as a barrier against spoilage. Why it works. Unwashed eggs retain their bloom, keeping bacteria and air out. As long as they're stored properly, eggs can last months without additional treatment. This no-fuss method aligns perfectly with the Amish's minimalist approach to life. The science behind freshness. Why eggs go bad. Egg spoilage occurs due to 3 main factors: bacteria, air, and moisture. While refrigeration slows this process, it doesn't eliminate the problem entirely. In contrast, the Amish's methods actively combat these factors. Lime water seals pores and blocks bacteria. Oiling creates an airtight shield. Vinegar adds an acidic layer of protection. Dry storage preserves the egg's natural defenses. Lessons to take away simplicity. Over complexity, the Amish teach us that sophisticated solutions aren't always the best. With basic materials like lime, oil, and vinegar, they've achieved what many modern technologies can't. Resourcefulness is key. By understanding natural processes, the Amish preserve food efficiently and sustainably. It's a call to re-examine how we approach food storage in an era of increasing waste. Preserving knowledge. These techniques are a bridge to the past, reminding us of the value of traditional wisdom. Sharing and practicing these methods ensures they aren't lost to future generations. Conclusion. As we've seen, the Amish's egg preservation techniques are not just practical, but also deeply inspiring. They remind us of the power of simplicity, the importance of self-reliance, and the value of preserving traditions. Whether it's lime water, oiling, or dry storage, these methods offer solutions that are both sustainable and effective. So why not try them yourself? You might just find that the old ways have plenty to teach us in our modern lives. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into timeless traditions. Until next time, happy preserving.